The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is just over a month away from being officially unveiled, and while we've already gotten a good look at the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra, leaks about the base S25 and S25 Plus have been a little scarce. That said, we've heard some interesting tidbits about the S25 Plus, like how it's expected to keep the same screen size as its predecessor, plus add a couple of fresh color options, ultra-wideband support, and 45 watts wired fast charging. But now, thanks to a fresh leak, we pretty much have all the details we could ask for. Leaker Jukin Losriv on X dropped some hands-on pics of what they say is the Galaxy S25 Plus, and these images leave very little to the imagination. From what we can see, the device is rocking the rumored midnight black color, which looks like a darker twist on last year's Onyx Black. The photos give us a look at the front, back, and one side of the phone, and they're clear enough to catch some interesting details. From the front, it doesn't look like much has changed from the S24 Plus. The device keeps its rounded edges and thin bezels on the sides. The bottom of the phone is a little blurry in the photos, probably to hide sensitive details, but it's safe to assume it's not hiding a chunky chin bezel. The top is covered by a sticker, but it's pretty likely Samsung will stick with the pinhole front camera we saw on the S24 Plus. On the back, we can spot the first major difference. The camera rings are now a darker color. While the S24 Plus had silver rings around its cameras, this S25 Plus seems to have darker, almost black rings. We're not sure if that's because of the midnight black colorway, or if all the S25 Plus models will have this darker tone. We also get a look at the left side, right side if you're holding the phone, which appears to be pretty similar to the S24 Plus, with a volume rocker, power button, and M-Wave antenna all lined up in the usual order. It's looking pretty solid that these images are the real deal, especially since the model number on the display SMS 936U matches the US variant of the S25 Plus. But as always, take this leak with a pinch of salt until Samsung officially reveals everything. Rumor has it, the Unpacked event will go down on January 22, 2024. So, what do you think about this new hands-on leak of the Galaxy S25 Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.